Hi, I'm Dr. Sridhar. We have had many discussions on modes of ventilation, and there is still a constant question about when we should choose volume guarantee and when we should choose uh, SIPPV or patient triggered ventilation PTV as the main mode, or when we should use SAMV as the main mode. So, you can use volume guarantee with either of the two modes, and obviously if a baby is significantly tachypnic, if the background rate is very fast, with the patient triggered ventilation or SIPPV, every breath is going to get the backup pressure. Even though the volume guarantee is there, every breath will be supported, and there is a higher chance you may have overventilation or CO2 washout. So it's not ideal to have that, and in these situations you may consider SIMV. However, when you reduce the rate on SAMV, like a rate of 30 to 40 as a backup rate, the baby may start working more for the remaining breaths, and for that reason, we can add pressure support to the breaths which are not supported by the SAMV breath. So, SAMV with pressure support gives you the flexibility that for the pressure support breaths, you can reduce pressure from the peak pressure that you set otherwise. The volume guarantee works more for the SAMV breaths. So it's important to be aware that in the pressure support breaths, the I time and expiratory time are both regulated by the baby. In my view, volume guarantee is invariably one of the starting modalities, and you can use it with patient triggered or SAPPV as a first choice. But if you notice that the baby has CO2 washout, or there is significant tachypnea, try to find out why the tachypnea is there and look at ways to fix it.